In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit footer in Squarespace. If you want to update the text, add new content, or change the overall look of your footer, Squarespace makes it pretty straightforward once you know where to go. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along inside your own site editor. To begin, go to the top right of your Squarespace site and click Edit Site. This opens the editing mode, which allows you to make changes directly on the page. Once you're in, click Edit to start working on the page layout itself. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Since the footer sits beneath the main page content, you'll need to move down until you can see that section clearly. When you reach it, click Edit Site Footer. This tells Squarespace that you want to work specifically on the footer area rather than the rest of the page. Now you can start editing the content. Click on the current text that appears in the footer. Then, click the pencil icon to open the editing options for that text block. From there, simply edit the text to whatever you want it to say. This is useful if you want to update copyright wording, add a short message, or adjust contact details. As you edit, keep your footer concise and easy to read, since this section usually works best when it's clean and simple. If you want to add something new, instead of just changing the existing text, click Add Block. Squarespace uses blocks for different types of content, so this is where you can insert additional elements into your footer. After clicking Add Block, select the type of block you want to add. For example, you might choose another text block, social links, a button, or another layout element depending on what your footer needs. You can also customize the appearance of the footer section itself. Click on the footer section, then choose Edit Section. Inside that panel, go to Design. This is where you can edit the design of the section and adjust how the footer looks overall. If you want to add a background, click Background. This lets you give the footer more visual presence and helps it stand apart from the rest of the page. Then, click Colors to choose the color style you want for the section. This is helpful for matching your footer to your brand or improving contrast so the text is easier to read. Once you're happy with the content and design, take a quick look over everything to make sure it feels balanced and consistent with the rest of your site. And that's how to edit the footer in Squarespace.